Rumor has it that DJI is preparing to unveil a new compact drone called the DJI Flip at CES 2025. While DJI hasn't made any official announcements yet, reports from the U.S. Federal Communications Commission suggest that the Flip may already be nearing its launch. The product has been certified for sale in the U.S., a strong indicator that we might see it hit the market soon. This certification typically occurs when a product is in its final stages, which adds credibility to the speculation that the DJI Flip could be launched in 2025. The DJI Flip is rumored to be a portable, compact drone designed with safety and user-friendliness in mind. Early sketches have revealed propeller guards, which would help protect both the drone and its surroundings. These guards would be particularly useful for beginner pilots, reducing the risk of damage during collisions or while navigating tight spaces. Unlike the DJI Neo, which offers an immersive FPV experience, the Flip is expected to feature a more traditional controller setup. This could make it less appealing to dedicated FPV enthusiasts who prefer a fully immersive flying experience. One of the most exciting features of the DJI Flip is its larger 3,110 mAh battery, a significant upgrade over the smaller battery in the DJI Neo. This increase could potentially extend flight time to around 20 minutes or more, compared to the Neo's 15 to 18-minute range. Longer flight times are a major advantage for drone users, allowing them to capture more cinematic footage, explore larger areas, and reduce the need for frequent recharging. If the Flip meets these expectations, it could rival the DJI Avatar 2, which offers a flight time of 23 minutes. The Flip may also bring significant improvements to its camera system, though the details are still under wraps. While the DJI Neo features a 4K camera with a single-axis gimbal, the Flip could push these boundaries. Given that it's expected to be positioned as a mid-range model in DJI's lineup, it might offer a higher resolution sensor, multi-axis stabilization, or improved image quality to meet the needs of hobbyists and semi-professional users alike. Another area where the DJI Flip could stand out is in providing a more customizable flying experience. While the DJI Neo is known for its beginner-friendly features like palm-based takeoff, the Flip may allow for more complex flight patterns and cinematic shots. This would appeal to users who want to expand their flying skills while still maintaining ease of use. Portability is another strong suit for the Flip. While the DJI Neo is already known for its lightweight and compact design, the Flip is expected to follow a similar philosophy. Its larger battery may add some weight, but it's likely to remain a highly portable drone, perfect for travel and capturing footage on the go. Though there's growing excitement around the DJI Flip, many details are still unknown, such as the specifics of its camera, AI features, and pricing. The DJI Neo is an affordable option for beginners, while the Avatar 2 targets high-end FPV enthusiasts, leaving a gap for the Flip to fill as a mid-range option. If it offers a balance of premium features at a competitive price, the Flip could appeal to a wide range of users. Pricing will play a crucial role in determining the Flip's market success. DJI will need to strike the right balance between affordability and functionality to ensure the Flip stands out in a crowded market. With its combination of portability, extended flight time, and user-friendly features, the DJI Flip could become a major addition to DJI's drone lineup. It may fill a gap between entry-level models like the Neo and higher-end options like the Avatar 2. As CES 2025 approaches, drone enthusiasts are eagerly awaiting official announcements from DJI. Could the DJI Flip be the perfect drone for your needs? Or are you waiting for something else in DJI's lineup? Share your thoughts with us as we continue to explore the future of drone technology.